In this video, we are diving deep into an amazing tool called Pictory AI. Have you ever wanted to create stunning videos but don't have the time or skills? Well, you're in the right place. I'll show you how this AI-powered tool can turn your simple text into a professional video in just minutes. Stay tuned to find out if it's the right choice for you. Pictory AI is a powerful online video creator that uses artificial intelligence. What does that mean? It means you can make amazing videos without needing a camera or complicated editing software. You simply give it text, and then the AI finds matching video clips, adds music, and even creates a voiceover for you. Think about turning your blog posts, scripts, or articles into engaging videos effortlessly. It's designed to be super easy and fast, saving you hours of work. You don't need to be a video editing expert to use it. Is it really as simple as it sounds? Pictory helps content creators, marketers, and businesses make more video content without the usual hassle. It's like having a video production team right inside your computer. Now let's talk about its top features. First is the text to video. This is where the real magic happens. Imagine you have a script or a blog post ready to go. With Pictory's text-to-video feature, you just copy and paste your text into the tool. It's that simple. The AI then reads and understands your content. In seconds, it breaks down your script into smaller scenes. But wait, there's more. For each scene, Pictory automatically searches its huge library of millions of royalty-free video clips and images. It picks the best visuals that matches your words. You can then easily change any clip you don't like. It also adds an AI-generated voiceover or lets you record your own. This feature is perfect for turning any written content into a dynamic video without ever touching a camera. It's a game changer for content creators. Do you have old PowerPoint presentations just sitting on your computer? What if you could bring them back to life? Pictory's PowerPoint to video feature lets you do exactly that. You can upload your PowerPoint slides directly into the platform. Once uploaded, Pictory takes each slide and turns it into a scene in your video. But it doesn't stop there. The tool allows you to add a voiceover to explain your slides, just like you would in a live presentation. You can use the realistic AI voices or record your own voice for a more personal touch. You can also add background music to make your presentation more engaging. This is perfect for teachers, business professionals, and anyone who wants to share their presentations on platforms like YouTube or social media. It transforms a boring slideshow into an interesting video lesson. So, you've created a video, but how do you edit it? You don't need complex software like Adobe Premiere Pro. Pictory has a simple and powerful AI video editor built right in. What makes it so special? It's incredibly easy to use. You can edit your video by just editing the text. If you want to delete a part of the video, you just delete the corresponding sentence in the text transcript. The video scene is automatically removed. It's that intuitive. This editor also makes it easy to add your own branding like logo or an intro and outro. You can change colors, fonts, and the style of the captions to match your brand. It can even automatically add captions to your entire video, which is great for social media. This makes video editing accessible to everyone, not just the pros. They also have URL to video. This feature is one of the fastest ways to create content. Do you have an article or blog post on your website that you want to turn into a video? With the URL to video feature, you just need the link. You copy the URL of the web page and paste it into Pictory. The AI then gets to work. It scans the entire article and uses its intelligence to pull out the key sentences and main points. These key points become the script for your new video. How amazing is that? Just like the other features, it then finds relevant video clips and images to match the text. It creates scenes, adds transitions, and prepare a full video for you in minutes. This is an incredible tool for content repurposing, helping you reach a new audience on video platforms without writing a new script from scratch. Now let's talk about the downside. While Pictory AI is fantastic, it's not perfect. The main disadvantage is that the AI voices, while good, can sometimes sound a bit robotic. They are some of the best AI voices available, but they don't always have the emotion and natural flow of real human voice. This can sometimes make the videos feel a little less personal. If you are creating content that requires a lot of emotions or a specific tone, you might find the AI voices limiting. You do have the option to record your own voiceover, which solves this problem, but that takes extra time, which is what some users are trying to save. So, how much does all this cost? Pictory offers a few different plans so you can choose the one that fits your needs and budget. The starter plan is great for beginners and costs $25 per month, but you can save money by choosing the yearly option, which brings it down to just $19 per month. For more serious creators, there's the professional plan. This one is $49 per month or only $29 per month if you pay for the whole year. This plan gives you more features and higher quality AI voices. They even have plans for big teams. So, who should use Pictory AI? This tool is perfect for a few groups of people. First, content creators and YouTubers who want to produce more videos faster. If you want to turn your scripts into faceless videos without much effort, this is for you. Second, social media managers and marketers. You can quickly create short, engaging videos for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. It helps you keep your feed full of fresh content. Third, educators and course creators. You can turn your lesson notes and presentations into video lessons for your students. It makes learning more visual and fun. Basically, if you need to create videos from text and you value speed and simplicity over complex customization, Pictory AI is an excellent choice. In summary, Pictory AI is a powerful and easy to use tool for creating videos from text. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for anyone who wants to make more video content without the steep learning curve. While the AI voices could be better, the ability to add your own voiceover makes it very flexible. If you're ready to try it out, I've left my affiliate link in the description below. Using this link won't cost you anything extra, but it will give a small commission to support this channel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.